Alright, hello everyone. I wanted to give you some help solving these quadratics by completing the square. Well, first step, we want to have a left and right side of our equation, and we are going to go ahead and set it up to complete this perfect square. It's going to need a number here, so I'm going to write it like this. And that number here, if you remember, it is b divided by 2 squared, so 16 divided by 2 is 8, squared is 64. And what that does is it allows you to factor this into exactly x minus 4 squared. Because if you FOIL this out, oops, not 4, 8, if you FOIL this out, you will get back to 64 on the outside and negative 16 on the middle. And if I add those, is 49. So we have a complete square here, which allows me to take the square root of both sides. X minus 8 is equal to plus or minus 7. Add this over and we have x is equal to 8 plus or minus 7. X plus 7 is 15. X minus 7 is 1. So there are two solutions. Done by completing the square, meaning I figure out what this is, so it transforms this expression into a perfect square trinomial. All right, on the next one, let's see here. All of these can be divided by 2, so I'm going to divide them by 2. And I'm going to put this over here. When I divide that by 2, it's 4. So I'm going to add this here to be 4. And now I need to figure out what number goes here. 10 divided by 2 squared is 25. 25. X plus 5 squared is, whoops, that was a 25 there. Add those together, we have 29. Now we can take the square root of both sides. We have x plus 5 is plus or minus root 29. Divide this over here and we have negative 5 plus or minus root 29. Now that is an exact answer. We can get the decimal. We can get the decimal here by using the calculator. If we do the square root of 29, we have 5.39, so I'm going to go ahead and write that in there. X is about negative 5 plus or minus 5.39. And now we can go negative 5 plus this and negative 5 minus this, and our two answers will be about negative 0.39, and x is about negative 10.39. So again, we have two answers here. We have an exact answer, we have approximate answers. All right, let's keep going. Let's go ahead and solve this one. Let's drop a line down the middle. X squared minus 4x. We're going to need this number here to complete this perfect square. Put this over here, negative 30 plus 0, or sorry, negative 30 plus something. Well, here's our formula again. 4 divided by 2 squared would be 4. Add 4 over here. That allows us to rewrite this as a perfect square. Negative 26. Square root both sides, gone. X minus 2 is equal to, that's a problem. There is no solution here. Cannot take the square root of a negative number. All right, on the last one here. Well, let's divide everything by 3. If I divide both sides by 3, that's going to give me smaller numbers to work with. You always want to take advantage of that. Now let's line up everything. This goes over here and that goes over there. So we have g squared minus 8g plus something is 65 plus something. All right, what is this? 8 divided by 2 is 4, squared is 16. 16 there. G minus 4 squared, and here's where the name comes from. This has been I put this 16 in here to complete this perfect square. 81 g minus 4 plus or minus 9 after I square root both sides. Add the 4 over there, 4 plus or minus 9. My two answers are 13 and negative 5. All right, I have 3 problems for you to practice. If you can, try these ones right here. Problems 5, 6, and 7. There are the problems. Solve them by completing the square, and the answers are given there for you. All right, good luck.